Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha and welcome back to my channel. Do you all love bracelets? If so, stay tuned. I will be showing you how to make your own bracelet. Okay, so I will teach you all how to make your own bracelets. As you see, first of all, I'm going to show you some bracelets that I've already made. And this is a beautiful bracelet here that I made. And as you see, it's like a turquoise and pearl bead color here, and this is beautiful. Okay, the other one that I made is this beautiful purple colored bracelet with the different color purple beads, and purple is one of my favorite colors also, so I thought this was a very beautiful color. Okay, I've also made this bracelet here, and this is another turquoise like color with the brown. And I also, as you can see in the middle right here, I added a spacer bead, and it's a brown spacer bead that I added there. And as you see, these are scratch bracelets, and I love scratch bracelets because they're very easy to put on your wrist, as you see right here, and they're very easy to take off. Okay, and the last one I'm going to show you before I make the bracelet that I'm going to make is this beautiful bracelet here. And this here I use as my focal point. And a focal point is pretty much where when you wear your bracelet, I'm going to put it on my wrist so you can see. And see, you have that right here at the top. So this is the focal point that people will be looking at. Okay, and as you see, I added some different color beads on the side of the focal point bead, and I added another spacer bead here in the middle. Okay, so now let's get started on making the bracelet that I'm going to show you how to make today. First of all, if you want to make this bracelet, you will need some stretchy thread, and you see it stretches. That's why it's called stretchy thread. And the one I have is called crystal thread, and I'm going to let you see that. I purchased this from Amazon, and I really like this thread here. It's not the really thick thread, but it's kind of like the medium size. Or you can also purchase the thicker one, and this is my thicker one here. But I'm not going to use the thick one today. I'm going to use the other one. Okay. You will need some beads. I purchased these beads from Amazon. And you also need like some cutters, some wire cutters or something, or some scissors just to cut your thread. And I have some scissors, but I found this, so this works just as well. Okay. So the beads that I'm going to be using today to show you to make this bracelet is these brown, beautiful brown color and pearl-like beads, as you can see right here. You see how pretty they are? Beautiful. Okay, and this is what I'm going to make as the focal point. And this is kind of like an oblong bead, as you see. Okay, and this is my 8th bead. And you have to make sure it's stable because your beads will roll around. I have a little jewelry mat somewhere. I have to find it, but all that does is just keep your beads from going everywhere. Okay, so as you see, I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads here on the left side. Okay, so now let's go to our right side. Okay, so when you're watching this video, it may be, this is my right side, but it may be your left side. And this is my left side, but it could be your right side. But either way, you just add 8 beads on both sides, okay? Or how many ever beads that you have, you want to make sure it's even on both sides, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add our beads on this side here. Beads around. And I use my hands to put my beads on my fingers, but they have like a little bead, I think it's called something to help you put the beads onto the stretchy cord, but I just use my fingers. Okay, so as you see again, I have 8 on this side and 8 on this side, and I have my focal point bead right here in the middle. And you can turn this bead any way that you want it, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on our wrist to make sure that everything is good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, go ahead and make sure that everything is even. That's how I do mine. And it's pretty even right there. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is go ahead and, let me show you that again. You go ahead and take these 2 ends here from your cord, your stretchy cord, and you tie it. Kind of like you're tying your shoelace, okay? And you pull it. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to break it, but you do want to pull it enough just to make sure it's tight, okay? So what I do after I do this, I go around again and make a little knot. And I do this about 4 times because I just want to make sure that, you know, it's not coming off, okay? And each time you do it, you tighten it a little bit more. Okay, so there's 1. There's going to be 2. Okay, this is going to be 3 times that I tighten it. Okay, you see how I'm pulling it? All right, and this is going to be my 4th time tying it. And you just make sure that you just do it a little bit tighter this time. And some people, when they're making their bracelets, they add a little glue. And you see, this is the knot right here. It's just a small knot. You can't really see it. And some people add a little glue right here. That's fine. I'm not going to add it to mine. I've been making these bracelets now for a while, and I haven't had any to pop or anyone said that it has popped. So I do mine 4. I'm just going to do one more time just to make sure, okay? All right. All right. So I'm just going to try it on. All right. And as you see, it's not too tight and it's not too loose. I mean, it's to the point where I can wear it, I can slide it off, or I can slide it on without any problem. Now, if it was too tight, it would be squeezing my skin. My skin would be, you know, tight, but it's not. And this is the way that you want it if you have an average size wrist like mine. Now, if you have a bigger wrist, you want to make sure you add more thread. If you have a smaller wrist, of course, you add less thread, okay? All right, so now what we're going to do, as you see right here, just going to do this again to make sure, okay? As you see these 2 little ends right here, you want to make sure you cut these off because you don't want, you know, you don't want this on here. And you can use scissors, but I have my wire cutters, and I'm going to use that. So what you do, and I'm going to show you, you come here where the little knot is right here. You don't want to cut your knot because if you do, your beads will fall off. You want to just take it, look at it very well, and you want to cut it right beside the knot or not too far from the knot, okay? So I'm just going to take mine and cut it right, if you can see it, right about there. And you see it came off, okay? So now we're going to do the other side the same way. You just want to take it, and you don't want to cut the knot. You want to cut up above the knot a little bit, as you can see right here. And you can just, I'm going to cut right here. Okay, snip that off. And that's that. All right, so as you see, you still can see the knot right here. Okay, so what you do in order to cover the knot, because it's a scratch bracelet, so many people already know it's going to be a knot somewhere. But I love these scratch bracelets, and I think a lot of other people love them too because it's very easy to put on and take off. Okay, but what you do, you take either this bead or you take this bead and you just pull it over. Like you see right here, you just take it and pull it over the knot. Okay, and you just pull it. Oh, I put it too much. Don't break the bracelet. Okay, now as you see, in each of the beads, you do not see a knot, and that's what you want. You don't want to be able to see your knot. And these are great gifts, and these are great for anyone to wear to work, to church, for you to wear on any occasion. It's a very beautiful bracelet, and I'm going to put it on, let you see how it looks. Okay, and that's how it looks. I'm going to go around, let you see the different colors of the beads. And like I said again, if you want a focal point, you can have that. If not, you can use all of these beads to go all around the bracelet. It's your bracelet, so you know however you want to do it. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Friday and Sunday. I hope you all have a great Friday. Be blessed. Bye.